All right, so today we're going to get a little creative, and we've been making some arts and crafts, so might as well share it and put it on video. But today we're going to do this shadow box on this turkey foot slash beard mount. I found this shadow box in good condition for roughly, I think it was $3 at a Goodwill. My idea is that I will go ahead and, instead of utilizing some super glue gel like I was initially thinking about doing, I'm thinking now that I'm just going to drill through this sheet material and through this cardboard and basically zip tie the feet into place, and also I guess zip tie the beard. But these have been dried out all the way. I chopped them off and salted them, and then I left them to air dry, so these have been dried out, and I think they're ready for us to preserve them as best we can. Okie dokie. So we seem to have got a decent little setup. Push our tabs in. All right, moment of truth. That looks pretty decent. Not too shabby. This took me literally 5 minutes or less. It was $3 for this shadow box. Like I said, I bought this shadow box for just $3 at Goodwill. I know the price says $3.99, but for whatever reason they had it on sale and it was $3. But nonetheless, I think this looks pretty good. I think this will pair nicely with our fan that we did, the turkey fan feathers on this Rio Grande gobbler. But yeah, appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this inspired y'all to do your own mounts at home instead of sending it off to a taxidermist and spending lots of money. But I hope this helped you guys in one way or another. Feel free to give us a thumbs up if you can, and we'll see you next time. Take care.